What is up, Good Vibes Tribe? What is happening? It is Sunday morning. It's a rainy day, but we're not letting it get us down. We're super excited about what we're going to get into today. Caitlin is on her way over here. We're going to make tie-dye t-shirts. We've been talking about it for a while, and we've never really set time aside to do it. And what better day to do it than a rainy day? So I'm super stoked on it. Yesterday was an awesome day. So awesome. My mom loved New York. She loved her birthday. She loved the play and had a great day. So I'm super, super happy that it worked out the way it did. We got home really late. I just edited a little bit and then went to bed. So we didn't make any kind of like good night video. But yeah, so we're not going to let the rain get us down. We're still going to have a good time. We're going to do something sick and enjoy doing it. We hope that you guys are manifesting some type of joy in your life, whatever that looks like for you, and enjoying the moments that you have while you have them, and living your life to the fullest. So, let's do it. Tons of options.
Vlog update, it's raining.
How's the weather outside? It's raining! We are leaving Michael's where we got all the craft supplies.
All the craft supplies!
Woo! Grocery shopping in Target is the worst, but we did it.
It's complete.
On to the tie-dyes. What?
I was going to say our problem is going on Sundays.
Yeah.
Because everybody's going on Sundays.
Yeah.
I'm going to go midweek.
Midweek.
Late at night.
Late at night. What's the thing? On to the tie-dyes. Here's what we were tie-dyeing. 2 shirts each, a bandana for May. Here's the dye.
I'm so excited.
She's stoked. What do you think? What's up, guys? We have finished our shirts. They are down here baking. We have to leave them in a bag wrapped until tomorrow. So we'll see how they turn out. I don't know how mine is, but it was fun to do. So in the meantime, while waiting for the shirts, I got other stuff at Michael's for an art project, which involves all this stuff. May's gonna help me. Yeah. What's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
So
We're sitting on opposite sides of the couch.
We are.
And it feels
should we switch?
wrong. Yeah.
Much better. So it's Sunday night. We're calling it a night. We did the t-shirts. They got to soak in the bag for a little while, so tomorrow... What?
I don't know. We do it again.
No. Alright guys, this is the last time we're going to try doing this. It is Sunday night. We were calling it a night. We did the tie-dye t-shirts. They're in a bag. They got to be in there for a night. I started an art project, which I'm excited about. We'll see how that goes. I'll tell you guys more about it as it goes along. But I think we made the best out of a rainy day.
We
to
did.
be honest
It was
with
a
you.
lot of fun.
It was.
Got
Even
stuff done.
Target.
Yeah, I know. We did it.
Right? But anyway, so we appreciate you guys watching our videos. We hope you had an awesome weekend. We hope you have a great week. And we'll check in with you during the week. And then we'll see you guys next weekend. All right? See ya.